Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best VIOFO car mini DVR. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is VIOFO A129 Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, VIOFO. Display, LCD. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX291. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Number 4 on our list is VIOFO WM1 Car Camera. Specifications: brand name, VIOFO. Aperture, f/no 1.8. Display, LCD. View angle, 135 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Number 3 on our list is VIOFO VS1 Mini-2 HDR CAR Camera. Specifications: brand name, VIOFO. Aperture, f/no 1.8. Input/output, USB Type-C. Power source, corded electric. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video code, H.264. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 1. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 on our list is VIOFO A129 Plus. Specifications: brand name, VIOFO. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Interface, micro SD/DF, AV out, Bluetooth, USB 2.0. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Chipset, NT96670. Rear camera sensor, Sony Starvis Sensor 2 MP IMX307. GPS module, built-in. Wi-Fi, built-in. Warranty, 1 year. Number 1 on our list is VIOFO A119MINI-2 Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, VIOFO. Display, LCD. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1600. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. GPS logger, internal. Assembly mode, hidden type. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 60. Certification, CE. Warranty, 1 year.